Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how to add bold text to your designs in Adobe Express. Let's dive in. First, open Adobe Express on your laptop. Start a new project or open an existing one by tapping on your stuff where you want to add bold text. Next, tap on text icon in the toolbar. It is usually represented by T. Type the text that you want to make bold in the text box. Tap and hold to the text to select it. You will see handles appear around the text box. In the menu that appears, look for the option to edit text properties. This may usually be represented by T. Within the text properties menu, look for option to apply formatting. It's usually represented by the letter B or the word bold. Tap on it to make your text bold. If needed, you can also adjust the size and the position of the text using the handles and alignment options. Once you are satisfied with your bold text, save or share your design as usual, or you can simply download it. And there you have it. Adding bold text to your design in Adobe Express is quick and easy. Experiment with different fonts and styles to create eye-catching designs. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.